following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Lakeshore, and Lake. High wind warning in effect from 1 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. What? West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Lake and Ashtabula Lakeshore counties.
I really need
from 1 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult.
There goes a cat.
People should avoid being outside in forested areas.
She does this all the time. She runs around like crazy.
If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. The forecast.